Now this is class third C. Class third C, and subject GSC, and date is 27/1/2021. We have to start today. Lesson third, eating habits of animals. Lesson third, eating habits of animals. Eating habits of animals. So you have to open page number 16. Open page number 16, and in this page number 16, first pre-reading questions. What does your pet eats? You are familiar to your pets. You may have cow, have the goat, buffalo, dog, etc., etc. So now, what does your pet eats? Your pets may eat grass, wheat, pulses. Mainly it is eat the grass. Your dog maybe eat the flesh. Different type of substances may be eaten by us and our the dogs and our the pets. Put some millet or maize grains on your terrace for few days. Observe which birds come there to eat them. One activity is given. You have to keep some millets or maize on your terrace and observe which bird come there to eat them. You are familiar to the sparrow. When we spread rice or any mealy rice, then you see that the sparrow comes and eats them. So, next, why does a butterfly sit on flowers? Why does a butterfly sit on flowers? Because it eats the extract or it eat the food from the flowers. So, what is aim of studying this lesson? To explain the eating habits of animals to the children. What is aim of studying this lesson? Aim. We aim to explain the eating habit, the eating habits of animals to the children. The aim of studying this lesson is to explain the eating habits of animals to the children. This is our aim of studying this lesson today. So we start with reasoning, and you also open page number 16 and read. All living things need food to survive. Know that you need the food. If you are not getting the food, then you become the hungry, and you are not able to do any work. You do not able to run. So food is necessary. So all living things need food to survive. Food gives them energy to grow and move. Some animals eat only plants, while some feed on flesh of other animals. You know that a variety of animals are there. Some animals eat only plants, as you know that a cow, goat, buffalo, etc. These animals eat only plants, but there are few animals which eat only flesh of the animals. You are familiar to the lion, tiger, crocodile, snakes. These are the animals which eat only the flesh of the animals. While some animals are able to eat both plants and the animals. In human beings eats plants and also eat the flesh. You know crow. Crow is also able to eat. Crow also eat the flesh and the plants or plant product. Bear also eat plant as well as animals. Plant product are the animals. So while some feed on flesh of other animals, some other eat both plants and animals. Birds feed on grains or worms. Insects feed on liquid food. Now, plant eating animals. So, one is plant eating animals. First category of animal is plant eating animals. So we have to study first about the plant eating animals. So animals that eat only plants, the animals that eat only plants, fruits and vegetables are called plant eating animals. Cows, buffaloes, horses, donkeys, oxen, yaks, zebras, elephants, deer, or some plant eating animals. Plant eating animals are called herbivores. Next one is flesh eating animals. Next one, flesh eating animals. Flesh eating animals. Flesh eating animals. This is another category of animal. You are familiar to lion, tiger, etc. These are the flesh eating animals. Animals that eat meat or flesh of other animals are called flesh eating animals. Lions, tigers, leopards, wolves, snakes, frogs, sharks are some flesh eating animals. Flesh eating animals are called carnivores. This is important point. Flesh eating animals are called carnivores. As we have studied, plant eating animals are called herbivores. In the same way, flesh eating animals are called carnivores. So that's for today. Thank you.